Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making a crispy, spicy, super satisfying, a delicious peri peri paneer burger with a healthier homemade peri peri sauce. This recipe is perfect when you want something indulgent but still balanced. Crispy paneer, fresh veggies, creamy sauce and soft toasted buns all coming together in a one delicious bite. Let's start the recipe. Let's start with the peri peri marinade. In a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil or you can use regular oil. Now add peri peri masala, which is 1 teaspoon of a red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of a paprika, 1 teaspoon of a chili flakes, half teaspoon of a black pepper, 1 teaspoon of a brown sugar or regular sugar, 1 teaspoon of a garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of a onion powder, salt to taste and a half lemon juice for freshness. Mix everything really well until you get a thick, flavorful marinade. The aroma at this stage is already so smoky and inviting. Now take a paneer block. You can use thick slabs so it feels like a proper burger patty. Coat it evenly on all sides with a marinade. Make sure every corner is covered. Let this marinate for about 30 minutes. While the paneer is resting, let's prepare the healthy peri peri sauce. In a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of a yogurt. Now add 2 tablespoons of a lemon juice, salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of a peri peri marinade. For extra flavor, mix until smooth and creamy. Taste and adjust if you like more tang or spice. Set this aside in the fridge so it stays fresh. Now next step, prep your veggies. Slice some onions, tomatoes, avocado, lettuce, pickles. These add crunch, freshness and balance to the spicy paneer. Now let's create that crispy coating. Take a breadcrumbs in a plate and season them with a pinch of salt, black pepper and paprika. Mix well, place the marinade paneer into the breadcrumbs and coat evenly on all sides. I am using pre-seasoning breadcrumbs, pressing gently so the crumbs stick nicely. This will give us that beautiful golden crust. You can cook the paneer in a different ways. Pan fry them, bake them or even air fry them. Today I am using my air fryer for a lighter version. Lightly brush or spray oil in the air basket fryer and place the paneer inside. Now air fry the paneer for the crispy setting for about 10 minutes. Flipping halfway through so both sides get evenly golden. In the last 2 minutes, place a slice of a cheese on top of the paneer and let it melt slowly. This makes the burger extra comforting. While that cooks, toast your burger buns. I am using sesame buns. Lightly toast with them until warm and slightly crisp. Now comes the fun part, assembling the burger. Spread a generous layer of a peri peri sauce on the bottom bun. Add a fresh lettuce on top, then place the crispy paneer patty with melted cheese on top. Layer avocados, pickled onions, tomatoes. Sprinkle a little salt and pepper if you like on tomato. Now spread a little more sauce on the top if you would like, completely optional. Look at those layers, crispy, creamy, fresh and so colorful. Serve the burger hot with crispy fries and extra peri peri sauce on the sides for dipping. The combination is just amazing. You get spice, creaminess, crunch and a hint of sweetness. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this recipe with someone who loves paneer as much as we do. Let me know in the comments how you like your burger, extra spicy or mild spicy. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next recipe. Until then, happy cooking!